Hey guys, how you going? I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day today and taking care of yourselves out there in this crazy world that we live in. Hey my beautiful boy, where are you? Hello? What's been going on? Hey, good looking? Yeah. Mwah. Hello, gorgeous boy. How's my beautiful boy today? Yeah. Did you have a good sleep? Hello, everyone. Doing? Hello, buddy. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm Buddy. Hello, buddy. Suzanne, you're so beautiful. Yeah, you are. Are you mum beautiful baby? Hey. Yeah. Hey. My chicken boy. My chicken boy. Oh, there, my chicken boy. Yeah, I love you. You're so beautiful. Look at your little ring coming through. Yeah, my Hinam boy. Yeah, my Hinam. Bless you. That's Nathan. Oh, bless you. What are you doing today? Yeah, they're going crazy out there. Yeah, crazy day today. Hey, give me a kiss. Where's Mum's kiss? Mwah. Hello, beautiful boy. All right, guys, have a great day and take care of yourselves out there today. Say see you later. No, what? See you later, everyone. Yeah, so see you later. So I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Mwah. All right, guys, see you later.